Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Cuyahoga River Portage from Sunday morning until further notice at 10 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 5.2 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 10.5 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Sunday morning and rise to near 13.0 feet by Sunday afternoon. At 13.0 feet, facilities at the Akron Water Treatment and Pollution Control Plant are impacted. Water inundates low-lying parkland adjacent to the river. Low-lying roads adjacent to the river will be threatened. 0 feet by Sunday afternoon. At 13.0 feet, facilities at the Akron Water Treatment and Pollution Control Plant are impacted. Water inundates low-lying parkland adjacent to the river. Low-lying roads adjacent to the river will be threatened.
The forecast for northeast.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Cuyahoga River at Independence from late tonight until further notice at 10:30 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 7.4 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by early Sunday morning and rise to near 19.0 feet by Sunday morning. At 18.5 feet, extensive flooding occurs along Gleason, Charles, Francis, and Stone Streets. Canal Road will be flooded in portions of Valley View. Many roads may become impassable.
This is NOAA weather rate.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Mahoning River at Leavittsburg from late tonight until further notice at 10:15 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 5.9 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by early Sunday morning and rise to near 16.6 feet by Sunday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 16.5 feet, flood waters will spread to the extreme southern side of Leavittsburg. Several roads may become impassable. Lovers Lane and Riverview Drive inundated and Woodview Circle threatened. Flood waters enter Leavitt Road. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Mahoning River at warning from late tonight until further notice at 10:45 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 3.6 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by early Sunday morning and rise to near 13.2 feet by Sunday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 13.0 feet, property near the river south of Market Street flooded, including South Park and Pine Avenue.
These are all real, in case you're wondering.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Mahoning River at Youngstown from late tonight until further notice at 10:15 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 4.2 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Huron River near Milan from and rise to near 19.5 feet by Sunday afternoon. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At forecast flood stage is 18.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late tonight and rise to near 20.5 feet by Sunday afternoon. At 21.0 feet, flood waters may begin to affect businesses along the river.
Well, that's
near
a
the village of
quadruple header,
Pine near
folks.
US Route 250. Water will be nearly 2 feet deep in portions of Franklin Flats. Low-lying secondary roads near the river may become impassable.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Eagle Creek at Balance Station from this evening until Monday afternoon at 11 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 8.8 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by tonight and rise to near 14.0 feet by Sunday afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Monday morning at 14.0 feet. Several homes will become threatened with evacuations possible in the town of Braceville. Eagle Creek, McConnell East, and Braceville-Robinson roads will be impassable.
That's 5 in a row.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Kilbuck Creek near Kilbuck from late tonight until further notice at 11 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 12.1 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late tonight and rise to near 17.0 feet by Sunday afternoon. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 17.0 feet, private property on Louder Street in the village of Kilbuck flooded. Several county and local roads impassable, including State Route 16 and 60 North and County Road 621. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Vermilion River near Vermilion from late tonight until further notice at 11 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 4.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast.